Professor Black Ops, you said, let's get it. Police warns of Amazon scam. Of course, Amazon is one of the most popular online retailer. I get a ton of stuff from them, especially with the Amazon Prime. Police warn of Amazon scam. The Tacoma Police Department is warning residents of a scam involving phone calls from someone claiming to be an Amazon employee. We received information that the residence has been contacted by phone by an unknown person perpetrating to be from Amazon. Reads an email. The caller indicated that the resident had some suspicious activity on their account and that they could help them fix it. The issue if they logged onto their account with the caller. The resident did not do that. Another way the Amazon scam works is through robocalls. While some of the Amazon departments do call customers, the retailer never asks you to disclose or verify sensitive personal information or offer a refund that you do not expect. Amazon suggests protecting your online account with two-step verification system. The best advice is not to trust anyone calling or coming from a number showing your caller ID. If you are unsure, hang up and log onto your account to find the company's customer service number. The community advisory also offers the following tips. Do not respond to any incoming robocalls claiming to be from Amazon or another trusted brand, and do not follow instructions to press 1 or call another number. Be suspicious of robocalls or other communication with bad grammar or stilted language. If you have concerns about your Amazon account, hang up on the robocall and log into your Amazon account and the relevant credit card account to check for suspicious charges. Also remind everyone to be cautious who they talk to and never blindly give personal information or money to anyone. That's standard for any retailer that you actually deal with. Super short article. The police warns of Amazon scams. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.
Second, trying to do a movie voice there. More screens will then reopen the following week for the release of Mortal Kombat. Regal operates theaters in Rolla, Joplin, and the Hollywood Theater in downtown Springfield. The closest Arkansas location is in North Little Rock. Well, has Molly from Amazon called you yet? Viewers tell us she's been pretty busy. It's the latest twist to that annoying Amazon phone scam. The recording says there's a $700 charge on your Amazon account. Tells you to press 1, give your credit card info. Your caller ID will display a 417 area code and a person's name. But the scammers use caller ID spoofing to make it appear legit. Laura Inglesby runs a business in downtown Springfield, and she says Molly just won't stop calling.
Telemarketing calls are one thing. You know, you get the one, you tell them no, and you're done. But to have 27 in a row, because I started counting after the 6, I was like, okay, but these aren't real calls anymore. And they're just a robocall. And then the next day it continued again, over and over and over again.
You can report phone scams to the Attorney General, Better Business Bureau, and On Your Side. Make sure you're on both no-call lists. There are state and federal ones. You can also try a scam blocker app.